Oh! Where is it? Go in! Oh my god!
Yeah. Don't give it to me easy. I like a little challenge. When it feels better when you take a little damage.
What is up, Brando's Life of Fishing fam? I'm out here. It is bass opener. Let's just get a clap for that one right here. Let's see if I can go nail them. Let's go. 4-pounders today. Alright, first cast of fishing opener season. Using an Untamed Tackle swim jig. Got one. Got one. Nice. Oh yeah, first bass of the season. Oh yeah! Let's go! Untamed Tackle swim jig in the top of the mouth. That's how you want to start off the day. Nice one, about a 2-pounder. That's a fish. Ned rig. Nice fish. Oh, nice one. Nice fish. 4-pounder. Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Choked the Ned rig. Oh yeah. Come on. There you go. Let's go. Got one. That might be a pike. Nope, it's a bass. Swallowed it. Oh! Nice little bass on the Ned rig. Got one. Oh. Oh. Nice one. Oh, God. Oh, crap. Sorry, guys. Oh, my. Nice fish. Oh. Oh, yes! Oh my gosh! Oh! That's 3.5, 4-pounder. $3.13. God, if it was only just a little bit fatter. It's a long fish. Oh my gosh, as I wasn't recording, but I'm rolling this Megabass Dark Sleeper in deep water. Nice fat fish. Probably another 3-pounder. Yep. 2.9. Basically a 3-pounder. Look at that fatty. Go! 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 Ooh! Let's go! Ooh, nice one. Ooh. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Nice one. I don't know if you can see that, but that tail, there's a big tail down his throat. Another 3-pounder. I mean, another, it's like 2.9, which is a 3-pounder. There's one. Nice fish. Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Oh, oh, oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's the net? Where's the net? Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh my. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Barely hooked. That's the quality I'm talking about. They're all just short and just fatting here. Oh my. This is the third 3-pounder. This is a 313. Beauty of a fish. I'm gonna go back to the rattle trap, lipless crank. That's a good fish. It's probably stuck in weeds too, but that's a good fish. Oh, nice bass. Nice bass. Yep, I thought it was a pike, but it's a nice bass. I'm gonna need the net for this one. Oh, it's digging. Swallowed it. Fatty! Fatty! Let's go! First cast with the lipless. I'm sorry. Let this one go quick, it's bleeding. Get up here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. That's probably another 3-pounder. Look how fat it is. Crushing them on the lipless. There's one. I think it's a pike. Oh! 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 Where is it? Go in! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! This is the fattest dang fish I've ever... Dude, this might be a 5-pounder. Oh my gosh! Let's get that out of the mouth. Definitely a 4-pounder, dude. Oh my goodness! Look at how fat this thing is. This is my hand. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Four and a half pounder, dude. Oh! Let's get a good release on this girl. There's one. I'm just slaying them on this gold cotton cordell lipless crank. There's one. Nice fish. Another big one. That's like another 4-pounder. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, guys. Another 4-pounder. I'm gonna get this on the gram. Alright. I'm gonna let this 4-pounder go.